Hi there. Would you like to help one and all? Would you like to help universally divine enlightenment of the highest accord towards one and all? Would you like to contribute towards the upliftment and enlightenment of the entire humanity? Would you like to contribute to the welfare and to the overall goodness that exists within the heart and mind of humanity? If you would like to do so, then you've reached the right spot, because only by parting ways with some of your financial wealth every month, only by giving away a very small portion of your financial wealth every month, you will be able to spread divine enlightenment of the highest accord towards all corners of the universe. By parting ways with some of your money, you will be able to help one and all become more like their perfectly infinite self. By giving away a small portion of your money, you will be able to help further a divine cause whose main aim at the core of its heart is to bring about a divine unification of the highest accord within the human race, so that an everlasting, prosperous human race can be given birth to. If you would like to become part of greater goodness, then this is your opportunity. This is the golden chance which you have been waiting for. If you would like to help out Messianism, then please do not shy away. Please go to the section of donate now, and please donate generously, and please donate as often as you can and as much as you can, because at the end of the day, you might be able to do as much as you can or as often as you can for yourself, but that will only give you temporary satisfaction. But if you choose to forego your temporary selfish self, if you choose to forego your own selfish desires, and if you choose to contribute towards your fellow kind, then all the more greatness, all the more amazement of the highest accord, and all the more divine energy of the highest accord will come your way. All the more infinity will come your way. And although you might have to part ways with some of your temporary paper energy, but in return you will receive something that is abundantly more valuable and more important and more profound. And although money is only temporary, it will only last you a limited number of days, but when you choose to contribute to the cause of Messianism, you will acquire something that is permanent and eternal. You will acquire infinity, which will only keep on becoming bigger and greater with each passing day of your life. By parting ways with some of your financial wealth every month, you will be able to build for yourself a divine legacy, a legacy which will only keep on becoming better, greater and stronger with each passing second of life. So please do use this profoundly divine golden opportunity to become part of greatness, and please use this opportunity to go ahead and donate now and become part of profound greatness, which will help one and all, which will help humanity to become more profound, more eternal and more prosperous, which will help humanity to get rid of the negative source of energy for once and for all. Use this opportunity to contribute so that we can enlighten one and all from all walks of life, so that we can enlighten every single soul from all walks of life, from every different background, so that enlightenment of the highest accord can reach all corners of the universe, so that a bigger, better and greater and more infinitely profound human race can be given birth to, because only by doing so the world can become better, and only by doing so the world can become greater and profound, and only by doing so each and every single one of us will be able to become more and more like our infinitely profound self. So do so for the sake of your higher being. Do so for the sake of your infinite being, because whatever you do for others will help you expand yourself, not just physically, but more importantly, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. Help one and all to become greater. Help us make the world a better and a greater place. Help us make the world an eternally profound, prosperous place within which one and all can thrive throughout all the ages of life. So please go ahead and contribute right now, and keep on contributing as much as you can and as often as you can. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now, and stay enlightened for as long as you live, and never let go of the hand of Messianism. Keep on contributing as much as you can and as often as you can. Thanks very much.